Hi guys, this is the HOBBYDESIGN channel. Today we are going to make a brief pencil holder. I will link the PDF file in the video information. Now let's get started. Hey girl, are you ready?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah.
What's your hobby?
Design.
Yay!
초코 같아. 초코. 짜잔, 맞죠?
아니야.